Welcome to this tutorial on applying desired state configuration. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Start-DscConfiguration configuration, cmdlet, to apply configurations to your managed nodes. This is a critical skill for automating infrastructure management with PowerShell DSC. Start-DscConfiguration configuration is the PowerShell cmdlet that applies your configuration to managed nodes. It takes compiled MOF files, which contain your desired state definitions, and enforces that state on your target systems. This cmdlet is the bridge between your configuration scripts and the actual machines you want to manage. The basic syntax is straightforward. You use Start-DscConfiguration configuration, followed by the -path parameter to specify where your MOF files are located, then add -wait to run it synchronously, and -verbose to see detailed output. This command structure forms the foundation of applying any DSC configuration. Let's explore the key parameters. The -path parameter specifies the folder containing your MOF files. The -wait parameter makes the command run synchronously, waiting for completion before returning control. The -force parameter stops any running configuration and applies the new one. And the -verbose parameter shows detailed information about what's happening during the operation. Understanding these parameters helps you control exactly how your configurations are applied. When working with remote machines, you have additional parameters. The -ComputerName parameter lets you apply configurations to specific remote machines. The -credential parameter provides credentials for authenticating remote connections. The -CIM session parameter allows you to use existing CIM session objects for efficiency. And the -throttle limit parameter controls how many concurrent operations can run, preventing system overload. These parameters are essential for managing multiple servers. Here's a practical example of applying a configuration to the local machine. You specify the path to your configuration folder using -path, add -wait to ensure the command completes before continuing, use -verbose for visibility into the process, and include -force to override any existing running configuration. This pattern is your go-to for local configuration management. When pushing configurations to remote computers, you add the -ComputerName parameter with server names like Server 01 and Server 02. You provide credentials using the -credential parameter with a stored credential object. The -wait and -verbose parameters remain for synchronous execution and detailed output. This approach scales your configuration management across your infrastructure. Let's review some best practices. Always use -verbose during testing for visibility into what's happening. Use -wait to ensure synchronous execution so you know when operations complete. Test your configurations on non-production systems first to avoid unexpected issues. And monitor logs regularly to check compliance and catch problems early. Following these practices helps you manage configurations safely and effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Start-DscConfiguration configuration.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.